Have you ever felt like your phone knows you a little too well, suggesting things you just thought about? That's the power of AI, and in this video, we're diving in to explore the coolest ways AI can actually make your life better. From creating mind-blowing art to helping you become a superstar chef, get ready to see how AI is going from sci-fi movies to everyday magic. So buckle up and hit subscribe, because the future of AI is here. And it's awesome. Number 1. Boost your creativity. Feeling like you're in a creative slump? AI can be your superhero. There are many awesome tools that use AI to get your creative juices flowing again. Think of them like idea machines. For music, there are AI programs that can create one-of-a-kind melodies to inspire you. For art, there's AI software that helps you design amazing pictures. So, with AI as your partner, you can overcome creative roadblocks and have even more fun being creative. Whether you're writing a story or designing a game, AI can spark new ideas and help you bring them to life. Number 2. Become a super learner. Stuck trying to learn a new language or feeling overwhelmed by a tricky subject? AI is here to turn you into a learning machine. There are special AI apps that can teach you languages and other skills. These apps are super smart and can adjust to your learning style, focusing on what you find hard and breezing through what's easy. Plus, you get access to AI tutors that can answer your questions anytime, day or night. No more getting stuck. With AI, you can learn anything you set your mind to. And the best part? AI can even predict your areas of weakness and create custom practice exercises to get you up to speed faster, making you a super learner in no time. Number 3. Shop like a pro. Forget the struggle of finding the best deals or wondering if you're overpaying. AI is transforming shopping into a breeze. With the help of super smart shopping assistants powered by AI, you can track prices across different stores, find the absolute best bargains, and even get predictions on what you might need next based on your past shopping habits. Say goodbye to buyer's remorse. AI equips you to shop smarter, not harder, so you can stretch your budget further and snag those amazing deals with confidence. Plus, AI can even analyze product reviews and recommend items that perfectly match your needs, saving you time and ensuring you get exactly what you're looking for. Number 4. Get personalized health insights. Imagine having a tiny health coach on your wrist. Wearable tech with AI can track all sorts of data about your health and translate it into personalized insights about your well-being. Want to sleep better? AI can analyze your sleep patterns and suggest adjustments to your routine, like an ideal bedtime or tips for creating a relaxing sleep environment. Worried about your heart rate? AI can monitor it throughout the day and give you feedback, even flagging potential irregularities for you to discuss with a doctor. Feeling a little sluggish? AI can analyze your activity levels and recommend personalized exercise routines to get you energized, taking into account your fitness level and goals. Number 5. Write like a boss. Feeling stuck staring at a blank page? AI writing assistants can be your secret weapon against writer's block. These brainy tools can help you brainstorm fresh ideas, from catchy headlines to captivating story hooks. Need a grammar guru? AI can check your writing for errors and even plagiarism, ensuring your work is polished and shines with originality. But AI's superpowers don't stop there. Imagine crafting a professional email or a persuasive blog post. With AI assistance, you can adjust your writing style to perfectly match the tone and purpose of your work. So, unleash your inner Hemingway or channel your best business voice. With AI by your side, you'll be writing like a boss in no time. Number 6. Streamline your schedule and become a time ninja. Drowning in deadlines and to-dos? AI-powered calendars and scheduling tools are like having a super-powered personal assistant for your time. These brainy apps can learn your habits and preferences, automatically scheduling appointments, finding the best time slots for meetings that work for everyone, and even factoring in travel time to keep you running on schedule. But that's not all. AI can analyze your workload and suggest ways to optimize your daily routine, helping you focus on the most important tasks and freeing up precious time for what truly matters. So ditch the stress and constant juggling act. With AI as your partner, you'll transform into a time ninja, conquering your to-do list and taking back control of your day. Number 7. Explore new worlds, virtually, without leaving your couch. Imagine stepping into a time machine and wandering the bustling streets of ancient Rome, or scuba diving through the vibrant coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef. With the help of AI, the next generation of virtual reality experiences is here to transport you anywhere in the world, or even beyond, without ever leaving your living room. AI is pushing the boundaries of VR, making it more realistic and interactive than ever before. Want to learn how to paint like Van Gogh? AI can guide you through the process step by step in a virtual studio. Feeling curious about the mysteries of space? AI-powered VR experiences can take you on a mind-blowing journey through the cosmos. So buckle up and get ready to explore. With AI, the possibilities are limitless. These are just a few ways AI is transforming our world. As AI continues to develop, the possibilities are endless. So the next time you use your smartphone, browse the web, or even work out, remember, AI might just be behind the scenes, making your life a little bit better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. And let me know in the comments below how you use AI in your daily life.